This is my video number 160. In this video, I want to speak on industrial fires. Every day, at least one industrial fire is occurring in our state. The industry, chemical industry, pharma industries are witnessing this hazardous incident every day. Most of the industries, they are having chemists, engineers, technologists, but the problem is why there is a blast in the industries, pharma industry or chemical industry in our state, in India, of course. The reason being the lack of sensors in the boilers where chemicals are mixed up and heated, and reactors where the ingredients, the chemicals are mixed up and heated strongly and reacted to yield the products. Now, every boiler, every reactor will have sensors. Sensors in the sense the sensors will monitor the level of heat, thermal heat, and also the pressure developed in the reactor or the boiling the boilers. That means both pressure and also temperature should be monitored time to time. When the reaction occurs in the boiler or reactor, not only pressure is developed, but thermal energy is generated, heat energy generated. So, it is very essential to monitor the degree of the heat that is generated, the level of heat that is generated in the boiler or reactor, and also the pressure being built up in the boiler or reactor time to time by experts. So, of course, experts may be there, chemists may be there, technologists may be there, and expertise may be there, and maybe staff looking after these things are working round the clock. But the thing is, why the industrial blasts are occurring? Why reactors are blasting? There is a blast in the reactors. There is a blast in the boilers in the chemical industries around the city and in the in Telangana state every day. Of course, in India also many places. Why this is happening? I think this is due to lack of timely monitoring, timely servicing the sensors. They should see whether sensors are working properly or not. Thermal sensors, pressure sensors are working correctly or not. If there is any defect in working of the thermal sensors or pressure sensors, immediately they have to rectify. They have to replace it with a new ones, updated ones. New technology has come, new tools have come, new machinery has come, automated machinery has come, and robotic technology has come. So the robots can be made to monitor the pressure and temperature being developed or generated in the boiler or the reactor in chemical industries or pharma industries time to time. Of course, if the company cannot cannot afford to get a robot, then robot, if they cannot afford to get a robot, because which is in the cost of which goes to crores of rupees. So of course, skilled manpower should be there to monitor the sensors, functioning of the sensors. If the sensors are not functioning properly, the experts should replace it with new sensors, and new technology has come, new sensors have come, and therefore it is very important to check the sensors in time by experts, many engineers and technologists in time, and they should be replaced, keep in working, keep when working, and of course, short circuit, they say every time whenever there is a blast, it may be due to overheating of the boiler or reactor, or short circuit problem. Due to short circuit of the electric wires, the blast has occurred. Everything went on uncontrolled. So everything went uncontrolled, and heat is generated, flames have come, flames are generated, and in the electrical wires, so it which caused the entire blast. So this is not the case to look into. Why there is a short circuit? When wiring is done, cables are laid down, electric cables are laid down in the pharma companies or chemical companies, chemical units. Proper care should be taken. New technology has come to lay the put the cables, electric cables, install the electric cables in a proper manner, in a very highly insured cables are there, highly insured, highly insulated cables are there, system is there. So proper insulation and the new insulation method should be used to insulate the cable cases, cables, electric cables which are installed in the industry like pharma and chemical units. So therefore, to avoid the short circuit problem, which is causing the heavy blasts in the industries, causing leading to heavy losses to the industries, organizations, the investors, we should take care of. The industrialists should take care of the and the problems and look into the problems and seek the advice of the experts, technologists, to update the technology like proper installation of the cables with the new technology, proper installation of the sensors with the new technology. So that's very essential. So otherwise, this sort of blasting of the reactors and boilers will continue forever and causing heavy loss to the industries, to the state also, state economy also, to the investors also. So one should be very cautious. And the industrialists should be very cautious, chemists should be very cautious, and they should strive hard to put their brain in taking care of the industries and chemical units and pharma units, and see that new technology is taken, I mean, is used for uh, organizing and establishing these industries. Thank you very much, dear readers. If you like my video, kindly subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you very much.